to the sea, go and drift away with the tide. We could sweat all through the summer and the winter we could freeze. I'll be there through it all at your side. So go on, lead the way, I won't be far behind. I'll be right next to you. I'll be right next to you. Anywhere you're going, school, I'll be right next to you. I'm excited for our future and all the days along the way. I'm ready for the change in altitudes. We'll be out there together through the shine and through the shade, through the good and the bad times too.
So there's a creek that runs like through our property up here at the cabin, and apparently if you follow it down long enough, this guy and our friend Heston found this place that they're calling the Wishing Well.
It's a different creek.
Oh, well, you know, we're still gonna go check it out today. Should be really cool and a little treacherous, but hey, you know, makes things fun. Trail check-in. Jake says that we are about halfway there, so I'm getting pretty stoked. Should be fun.
So we've been walking down the road this whole time. Now the path goes directly right into this brush.
Great. So,
Go ahead, Mosel.
day later, we finished our excursion to the wishing well, and it was incredible. Actual waterfall. I haven't been to an actual waterfall in years.
Fun fact, I didn't know that place existed. I was trying to go to a slightly different place.
A little recap of the trip back.
Oh yeah!
It was the most treacherous hike I've ever done in my entire life, and it was way worse because we had the dogs.
We all almost died.
There were sections of it where we had to like literally lift Stormy and Magna up, like,
You grab them and you hoist them up.
and the only other option is like sheer cliff face. It was like bouldering with dogs. It was so hard. It was like literally like that steep, and I'm like holding on with both hands, holding myself up. Magna's like on my chest and I'm trying to like hoist him up. It's like not having it and trying to like come down.
They were trying to get Magna up and he didn't trust us anymore. He was like, I don't know what you guys are all about now. I'm not coming near you. And then Stormy's up there already and she decides, oh, they're down there. And she just comes right back down the place that she was so terrified to go up. And we're like, Stormy, no! Why?
Moral of the story, it was treacherous.
We were up on this. I was like, let's go to the top of that mountain. That'll be a good way to
Just
go.
for funsies.
And then we went up to the top of the mountain, and it's all steep and everything. We got up there after hoisting him up that like impossible place. We were like, oh, there's nowhere else to go. This is just dead end.
And we
cliffs.
can't go back down.
And we can't go back
down.
down.
It's so steep.
So I was just like, we're stuck.
It was rough.
But we were able, Michelle actually was able to scout out a little area along the side where you can kind of like go over a rock and go on the side and it goes to flat ground.
Really shows how like the best things in life sometimes take work.
That was so stressful.
Wouldn't do it again, but I'm glad to have had the experience.
Yeah.